Whether you're preparing for a night out, getting ready for an interview, or simply aiming to boost confidence, high heels have a transformative power, unlike any other footwear. However, it's crucial to remember that while they can elevate your style, prolonged wear can lead to discomfort. There are numerous factors contributing to the pain caused by heels, including the formation of bunions. The most common reason is the friction between your shoes and your feet. But don't worry. No matter what's causing it, you can still wear your favorite heels without pain. This video will show you how. First off, are your heels too big or too tight? This can be the reason why your feet hurt. You know when your feet keep sliding forward in your high heels, and there's a gap behind your heel? It's usually a sign that your shoes don't fit right. Your shoe should feel snug, but not too tight, especially around your toes. You should look for heels with a wider toe area that matches your foot shape to avoid cramming your toes together. This could be all you need. When heels don't fit properly, feet tend to slide forward, causing more pressure and pain on your toes. Finding shoes with narrow heels that fit just right, not too loose or tight, can fix this problem. If this didn't work, maybe you need to switch heels. Going for lower heels can make a difference in how your feet feel. When your heels are lower, there's less pressure on your toes, which means less chance of them hurting you. Plus, choosing shoes with gentler slopes gives you more stability and helps prevent your joints and muscles from getting too tired. It's like giving your feet a break while still looking stylish. Next time you're on the hunt for heels, think about getting a pair with a lower height and a smoother incline. Here's a little secret: pay attention to the slope or pitch of the heel, it could change your game. Some 4-inch heels might feel like a straight drop down to the flatbed part of the shoe, while others offer a more gradual slope. And you know what? That gentler slope could be a lifesaver for your arches, possibly easing any discomfort in the ball of your foot. So, keep your eyes open for those heels that treat your feet right. When wearing high heels, discomfort may stem not from the shoe type but from improper walking techniques. To address this, focus on mindful steps and weight distribution. Take smaller strides and evenly balance weight between the balls of your feet and heels to alleviate pain. Additionally, maintaining good posture minimizes strain on both feet and back. These adjustments promote balance, stability, and comfort while wearing heels. By adopting these techniques, you can walk more gracefully and comfortably, enhancing your overall experience in high heels. Remember, the key is to move with intention and awareness to prevent unnecessary discomfort. If you're finding these tips valuable, consider giving the video a thumbs up to show appreciation for the insights provided. If you have tried all that I have mentioned and your heels still hurt, it's time to see a podiatrist. I remember the story of Sarah, a diligent office worker, who started experiencing persistent pain in her feet. Despite trying various techniques to alleviate discomfort while wearing heels, she knew something wasn't right. Despite her efforts to walk gracefully and evenly distribute weight, the pain persisted, affecting her productivity and overall well-being. As the discomfort escalated, Sarah confided in her boss, who happened to be a close friend. To her surprise, her boss shared a similar experience with his girlfriend, who had ignored the pain until it became unbearable. Eventually, she sought help from a podiatrist who diagnosed an underlying foot condition exacerbated by wearing improper heels. Inspired by her boss's girlfriend's story, Sarah decided to take proactive action. She scheduled an appointment with a podiatrist, who identified the root cause of her discomfort and provided personalized advice and treatment options. Through a combination of orthotic inserts, stretching exercises, and footwear recommendations, Sarah regained comfort and confidence in wearing heels. Check out this video to discover the types of shoes you should avoid if you care about your foot health.